How to enable sound in Google Meet screen share. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can enable sound in Google Meet screen share. The first step is to launch the Google Meet application in your device, and once you've done that, the next step would be for you to join a meeting or to start a meeting where you would like to share your screen. So for me, I decided to join a meeting. So click on join, and then once you're on the meetings page, the next step is for you to move to the bottom right corner, click on the three vertical dots, and the options displayed, ensure you select share screen. So after clicking on share screen, in order to enable sound, a box will be displayed, and in this box you can see the option which says also share your device's audio, the mute button, stop sharing, etc, etc. So if you want to share, if you want sound to be enabled in the Google Meet screen share, just go ahead and check this box, and then after doing that, click on continue, and then as you're sharing your screen, sound would also be enabled from your screen share. Okay, just like that. It is so simple. So go ahead and carry this out now. Thank you for watching, and ensure you leave a thumbs up and a like, and you subscribe to this channel. Have a good day.